Mahatma Gandhi made a Himalayan blunder at the time of the non-cooperation movement because in 1919 and 1920 Gandhi ji started non-cooperation movement, and then after Khilafat Andolan was also going on, and Khilafat Andolan was the totally communal Andolan or movement. There is no anything, that is no any lena dena, there is no work of the Indians to do with the Khilafat Andolan. So this is the reason behind it why Gandhiji made such a big blunder. At that time, Gandhiji thought, at present, the Britishers in India, they are doing the divide and rule. So to tackle the divide and rule and to take the Indian Muslim support from the non-cooperation movement, so Gandhiji supported Khilafat Andolan. But it was the totally communal Andolan. There is no anything to do with the Indians. And in this Khilafat Andolan, Hindus and Muslims both are against with the British government. Actually, Khilafat Andolan was started from the Turkey. In the Turkey Empire, that is called at that time Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire, there was a Sultan. That's name is the Abdul Hamid II. And he ruled over on that place from 1842 to 1918. 1918. And after that, the first World War when completed, then Ottoman Empire was collapsed, and the Allied nations means Britain, France and US or America, they wanted to end the Ottoman Empire, Turkish Empire, because they want to change the geographic condition of the Ottoman. At that time, in the Turkish Empire, in the Ottoman Empire, that is the Israel, Palestine and Jordan and Turkey. These countries are included in the Ottoman Empire. So that's why they want to change it at that time. But there is no anything with the with the Indians. But the Sultan Abdul Hamid II messenger came to India and they got the support from the Indian Muslims. Indian Muslims did not support non-cooperation movement of the Gandhiji, but they supported hardly to the Khilafat Andolan. That was the big mistake made by the Gandhiji in their non-cooperation movement. When Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement in 1920, when Chauri Chaura case was occurred near the Gorakhpur, then after this non-cooperation movement became the violence-full. When this non-cooperation movement became the violence-full, the Gandhiji ended the non-cooperation movement. And then after Khilafat Andolan also ended with the collapse of the non-cooperation movement. So that's why it was the Himalayan blunder done by the Mahatma Gandhiji to cooperate, to support the Khilafat Andolan, because there is no anything to do with the Indians about the Khilafat Andolan. What is going on in the international politics, that is the other matter. But we have to move on with the non-cooperation.